morning. It's 6 o'clock and I'm finally getting to climb Table Mountain with my friends. There, say hi, Noni and Miss Stella. So yes, it's gonna be a hard struggle for me, but I'll push. But I'll push and I'll do my best. There's a nice view, but I'll try and show you as much as I can going up. Yeah, this is a very difficult thing to do for me. This is out of the box, but I'm willing and able. Yes guys, we're gonna do this route. Wish me luck. You can see the rocks already. I'm coming. This is the beginning and I'm looking fine and I'm smiling, but I'm pretty sure at the end I won't be smiling. So far. No.
It's like hike for like 50.
Okay, we're already almost halfway, I would say, because I'm dying already. Okay, well, we're like quarter of the way, I would say. And along the way, we see a little creek with natural water. Can we drink it? She said if I get sick, it's my own problem. What a supportive friend. She keep it real. You see there? She's taking pictures. Yeah, we still have a long way to go. You see it? Down there. Lovely, eh? But I would not take the risk of getting ill by drinking that, so. Oh, yeah, this is really lovely.
Hello.
A fellow hikers. It came from that way. Look at this. And yes, for the record, I'm dying already. Progress report. I asked someone that was going down how much further we have. For him, he left up there from where he met us was 30 minutes. And so I'm guessing another hour. I'm dying. Look at this steep. Like, seriously, look at this. Look at this.
He's sitting on a rock right now. He's taking a break.
And I'm sweating. I'm dripping sweat. But I'm gonna continue pushing. My legs are numb.
Now I'm just thinking, Monday, going to work.
Monday, yes. Thank God I sit all day on my ass, so it's okay.
That's actually the worst, to just sit the whole time and
Yeah.
get up.
But yeah, I'll continue. I hear people screaming, so I think I'm almost at the top. I wish I could see how far I was, but there's a lot of mist, as you can see. Alright, until later. Look at the improvement that I've made. Can't see anything. Came from that way. Now we're going up. Wow, this was a lot. As you can see, breathing very heavy, out of breath, but still going. Still going. Here you go. Of what I have to climb now. It's so discouraging, but I'm gonna keep going. Oh. Say hello to the camera. How do you feel? Yes.
My legs.
Who made these? Who made these? Slaves?
You! Because what you said, nothing makes sense.
Oh Lord! Oh Lord! I mean, like, come on.
Temperature's gonna go down very quickly.
Finally made it. Finally made it here. You can't see anything because there's a lot of mist, but here are the people relaxing, eating.
That sign said it's a 2.5 hike.
Yeah.
We made it in
In an
hour
hour?
and a half.
Okay, that's good timing. An hour and a half is good. Okay,
So
so
that means if we took a stroll, it's 2.5.
yeah.
But we decided to be unnecessary.
So where's the cable car?
We have to walk.
That way. Okay. We still have some walking to do, but we made it on top. Oh my God! Woo! I made it. I died a couple of times. I fell once. Sure, I'll have to take a picture there. Look at all that mist. I can't see anything. So no cable. Just me.
What time is it open?
Because of the weather.
Oh! Oh yeah, I forgot.
Hello. Morning. Oh, sorry, thanks. You're almost there, almost there. Morning. Oh, I just feel. Hello. This slip is real. Yo. So yes, like I was actually filming the first time, but apparently not filming because it didn't record anything. The cable cars aren't working. We took an hour and a half to go up, and now we're forced to go down because there's no cable cart to go down because of the weather. It's misty, as you can see. You can't see anything. So yeah, I'm going down now. It's okay going down. It's not that bad. I'm a bit cold now. It's 8 o'clock. Sunrise was supposed to be a long time ago, but yeah, there won't be any sunrise today. The weather here in Cape Town is just like the Netherlands. Rainy, misty, and yuck. Excuse my runny nose. And I'll update you when I get down. Hi. The Lord was listening to my cries about the view. And look there. Yeah, we're in the mist, yeah.
No, we escaped it, but we were. There we were.
Yeah, we were on that side, yes.
Yeah.
But it's okay, we could go down this way. It seems a lot more steeper, but yeah, it's fine.
Who's Miss Collie? Oh, it's probably Kate.
Melissa. Yeah, we came in from that end, but our ride is going down this end, so we follow the ride home, down. Yes, look at me, drenched, mist water in my hair. Hit the stream.
Supposed to take the cable car down. Now we ended up hanging down.
Yeah,
But we did it.
yeah, yeah. I can't wait. Yeah, up there's really cold and breezy. Alright, now here we have to go all the way down there. Guys, I made it, I made it, I made it. Oh, I made it! I'm so happy. I thought I couldn't do it, but I did it. We did it, Oni. We did it. There's no Q-U-I-T in my name. I did it. But if my ass wanted to get home, I had to do it. Oh, where's our ride now? But look at this, guys. Very done. Oh, that's where the water from the little stream comes through. Lovely, guys.
So like,
You see, he's stretching. He's doing his thing. You need to go stretch too.
oh yeah.
Stretch these legs open. I mean, yes. Okay, let's cross. Oh. Where did KK go?
I don't know. We'll have to find out where he's
Oh my
from.
god. Okay, let's call him. Yeah. Oh, let me
No,
take a,
I'm
let me take
going
a.
straight.
Okay. Bye. Let's take a nice view. Glimpse of this view. This guy here, height in jeans. He's good. He's been doing this every day. Every day. Look at this view. I just love it. Well, nature calls. We just came from all the way up there. It's higher than what it looks like. Oh, I feel like dropping.